Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update the SKU, title, price, quantity, and weight of a product directly on the AdLister platform. Let's log into AdLister and let's go to the products page. Once on the products page, you will highlight the products you want to make changes to. Then, click on the Edit Product drop-down menu and select the first option. A new window will appear with a table where you can see the title, SKU, quantity, price, and a few more columns. Make the necessary changes, and once everything is okay and ready, you will scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can select either Save and go back to the Products page, or you can also select Save and Revise, and you will need to select the proper options for revision. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos and visit our websites in the links below. And don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos.